How to play Marvel Rivals on Steam Deck. It's actually really easy and simple, guys. So what the problem most people end up having is they have not turned on a specific option, a specific setting. So what you're gonna do is just launch your game, just press OK or continue in all prompts, and then it will pop up on the launch screen like normal. And what you need to do is come to your settings, go to the compatibility tab in your Steam menu. Now, right here under compatibility, you want this checked. Okay? Force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. Toggle this one on, and then you want to come here, click on this drop down menu, and choose Proton Experimental. Make sure this is what you have selected, and this should help you to play Marvel Rivals on Steam Deck without any issues. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys